Hey, this is Mike from Mike's Custom Woodcrafts. I'm here at Nye's Woodworking show, and I'm just looking around, checking it out. Here in the Milwaukee tool aisle. DeWalt. Here in the DeWalt aisle. This is the saw I bought the other day. Let's check out the lathe demo.
We have a programmer
that's their age. Oh, you didn't everything you guys,
But I do all the old-fashioned stuff.
Yeah.
This I made by hand.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
like that stuff, that's so intricate, it would take forever.
I just finished the Notre Dame, 72 pieces. Just that.
Hey, I'm here with Eric today, and we're checking out some of the new products here.
Hey, good morning. Eric Malmberg from Makita Power Tools here. One of the new products we're really excited about that we launched here in 2025 is our 40 volt XGT 3x21 belt sander. Obviously, we're the leader in the belt sander category. One manufacturer of industrial belt sanders, electric right now, and we've added this cordless option to our category for the 40 volt. As you can see, the 40 volt battery slides in and out really easily on the top. Got great ergonomics, but it's also got a ton of power. You got your variable speed mechanism here to dial her up or down. And then you've got a quick stop mechanism there as well. Nice thing is you also have the ability to mount this to a bench, use it as a stationary belt sander, and you also have your nice adjustable LED light there as well. But this fits a category of over 175 battery-powered tools that we have, anywhere from, the multi-tool to our plunge router, our compact router, our sliding miter saw, and even a 10 1/4 inch circular saw. So if you're looking for a true all-encompassing woodworking category to go battery in your shop or on the job site, 40 volt is the way to go.
All right, sounds good. I appreciate the time, Eric.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good to meet you.
Yep, and check out Mike's Custom Woodcrafts.
All right, thank you.
We're going to stop into the hardware gallery and talk to Nicole.
Okay.
Welcome to our new little home store. It's Etc. by Nye's in Nye's Hardware Gallery. And we try and have an emphasis on American-made, quality-made products. And we have like wooden tools from Red Lodge, Montana. And we have pottery that's made in New Mexico, and also some pottery made in Wisconsin. But
Okay.
blankets, these are made in New York. These are made in Minnesota. And then we have locally made food products, coffee from Viroqua, pancake mix from the Madison area, and honey. This pottery is made in Wisconsin.
Nice.
It's beautiful. Twice baked pottery. And then Epicurean cutting boards, which are awesome because they're dishwasher safe and don't ruin your knives, and they're made in Superior, Wisconsin.
Yeah.
And then what else? We have homemade
Cutting boards.
cutting boards, charcuterie boards. They're beautiful, and they're made by a guy that works here at Nyes.
Okay.
And they're all native Wisconsin hardwoods.
Okay.
And then around here we have some hand-selected kids' books. We have linens that are made in Rubicon, Wisconsin, with fabric from Europe, but they're beautifully made.
Nice.
And then some linens from Europe, cheese knives that are made by the Amish, handmade, and just kind of an assortment
Yeah.
of things.
So aside from all the hardware, you got all kinds of little stuff.
Right. And then we have also some beautifully made denim and chambray products, and these are made in the United States in San Francisco, and I love them. They wash up really nice, they wear well,
Great.
and we have dog things too.
Good.
And
Doug.
then also Headley and Bennett aprons, which are huge in the Food Network world, and also in our home kitchens. So
Great. All right. And I'll just walk around and kind of look at some of the hardware.
yeah.
And your first name again was
My name is Nicole.
Nicole. I'm Mike.
It's good to meet you.
And thanks for talking to me today.
Yeah, thank you.
So many awesome things you can find here at Nyes Hardware for any project. Aisles and aisles of hardware. The two owls are really coming along. Tons of blades here. Wide assortment of saw blades.